Starting around Zone 9 Walk 2024, Jasmy coin explicitly is exchanging at $8.227 in terms of its host rate with a value change of 0.8% in every practical sense, most recent 1 hour in a truly significant manner. Jasmy generally has a really all-out market cap of $119.94 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $298 of 37,890, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. This generally makes Jasmy coin Jasmy lovely. Positioning at 96 in the cryptographic money market, or so they especially thought. On the off chance that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer and considering what basically is the Jasmy coin cost expectation end of 2024, what will Jasmy coin sort of be truly worth in 2024, which by and large is genuinely huge? Is Jasmy coin a for the most part wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2024, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking? Will Jasmy cost explicitly outperform its untouched high, or so they, by and large, thought? These sort of are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future, or so they explicitly thought. Jasmy coin Jasmy value expectation 2024 as per the Jasmy coin gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Jasmy value sort of is supposed to generally cross a truly normal value level of $0.09. The normal pretty least value worth of Jasmy coin toward the finish of the really current year ought to essentially be $1, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Besides, Jasmy can generally arrive at a for the most part greatest value level of $343, which in every practical sense is very critical. Jasmy coin Jasmy value conjecture walk 2024. The Jasmy coin Jasmy cost for walk 2024 may explicitly arrive at a very least worth of $0.13, while the genuinely most extreme estimated cost in every practical sense is around $0.242, exhibiting that will Jasmy value sort of outperform its unequaled high, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. The truly normal cost for Jasmy truly is for the most part anticipated to in a real sense reach $0.235 in walk 2024 in an all things considered huge way. Jasmy coin Jasmy value expectation April 2024. Concerning April 2024, Jasmy coin cost for the most part is gauged to sort of arrive at an actually the least cost of $233 in a by and large significant manner. The Jasmy cost could arrive at an essentially greatest cost of $0.251 with the fundamentally normal expected cost around $2.244, which really is genuinely huge. Jasmy coin value gauge May 2024. In May 2024, the sort of greatest cost for Jasmy coin could in a real sense stretch around $2.61, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of Jasmy in May 2024 especially is $2.45 with a truly normal cost of $0.054, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Jasmy value figure June 2024. Concerning June 2024, Jasmy coin generally is supposed to explicitly arrive at a by and large least value worth of $2.25. So besides, the minimum cost of Jasmy in May 2024 is $2.245 with a genuinely normal cost of $2.254, which really is genuinely huge. The Jasmy cost could generally arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $0.0274 with the especially normal cost around $2.59 or so. They really thought. Jasmy value gauge July 2024. The Jasmy coin estimate for July 2024 expects that the Jasmy may generally arrive at a sort of most extreme worth of $0.24 within in every practical sense, least cost of around $2.58 in an exceptionally enormous manner. Discussing the in every practical sense, normal value Jasmy can sort of stretch around $2.67 for July. Jasmy coin value expectation August 2024. The cost of Jasmy coin truly is truly anticipated to in every way that really matters, reach at an exceptionally least worth of $2.64 in August 2024. So Jasmy coin value expectation August 2024. The cost of Jasmy coin essentially is truly anticipated to all things considered, reach at a sort of least worth of $2.64 in August 2024, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The Jasmy cost could by and large arrive at an especially greatest worth of $2.95 with the really normal exchanging worth of $2.75 all through 2024 and in every practical sense huge way. Jasmy coin Jasmy value gauge September 2024. For September 2024, the cost of Jasmy coin generally is fundamentally anticipated to basically arrive at an essentially normal cost of dollars and more, while the coin could exchange between a genuinely limit of $0.06 and an especially least of $2.69 in an extremely significant manner. Jasmy coin value expectation October 2024. Jasmy coin cost truly is supposed to generally reach between $0.00 to $0.00 in October 2024, while the extremely normal cost of Jasmy for the October generally remains around $0.089. Jasmy coin Jasmy value expectation November 2024. The cost for Jasmy coin in November 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $292 and $31, which generally is very critical. While the essentially normal exchanging cost ought to, for the most part, be around dollars and dollars in an unobtrusive manner. Jasmy coin Jasmy value figure December 2024. The Jasmy coin Jasmy cost for December 2024 may explicitly arrive at an extremely least worth of $1, while the especially greatest determined cost in a real sense is around $0.043, exhibiting that the typical cost for Jasmy certainly is basically anticipated to reach $235 in Walk 2024, which truly is genuinely critical. The kind of typical cost for Jasmy in a real sense is most certainly anticipated to reach $0.09 in December 2024 in a very significant way. Jasmy coin truly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Jasmy coin's cost especially has shown a very decent increment of 625% in the genuinely most recent 24 hours, or so they generally thought. From very most recent 7 days, the Jasmy sort of was in essentially great vertical pattern and expanded by 1284%, showing the way that the Jasmy cost could especially arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $2 to $5.1 with a very normal expected cost around $2 to $4.4, which really is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin especially has shown areas of strength for truly all expectations and purposes potential of late, and this could be a great chance to dive right in and in every practical sense, put resources into an unobtrusive way as a matter of fact. Jasmy coin value gauge 2024 facts. What will sort of be Jasmy coin in every practical sense, worth in 2024, which sort of is very huge. The Jasmy cost generally is determined to truly arrive at a, for the most part, greatest degree of $0.0343 with truly least cost of $0.01 toward the finish of 2024, which in every way that really matters is very huge. Does Jasmy coin most certainly have a future in a quite enormous manner? As far as value, Jasmy coin most certainly has an extraordinary kind of potential to arrive at new levels, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking especially. It especially is gauged that Jasmy will increment in esteem. So Jasmy essentially has a genuinely complete market cap of $119,294.47 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $298.37,890 in an unobtrusive manner. As per in every practical sense, explicit specialists and business examiners, Jasmy coin can truly raise a ruckus around town, the greatest cost of $796 till 2030, which in every way that really matters is very huge. Is Jasmy coin by and large worth purchasing in 2024? Most certainly, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin's worth in a real sense is supposed to especially keep on growing, as deficiency will in general in a real sense support cost rise,